Welcome to my channel. Today we'll be talking about the best payability option for lump sum funding. This isn't about how to get a lump sum. It's about the financial strategy for managing it effectively once it's in your hands. There is no single best option. The optimal choice is a highly personal decision based on your financial goals, tax situation, and comfort with risk. As someone who's navigated this, here's my straightforward, three-step framework for what I call a staged approach to lump sum funding. 1. The immediate and critical stage. Safety first. The first 30 days are not for investing. They are for de-risking and organizing. Pay off high-interest debt. This is the best guaranteed return you can get. Any debt with an interest rate above, say, 7-8%, like credit cards or high-interest personal loans, should be your immediate priority. Clearing this debt provides a guaranteed, tax-free return equal to the interest rate you were paying. Build your emergency fund. You need liquid, easily accessible cash. I recommend at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Park this money in a high-yield savings account, HYSA. This account is your safety net, offering decent interest while keeping the funds FDIC insured and instantly available. Address taxes. A lump sum can drastically spike your taxable income for the year, potentially pushing you into a much higher tax bracket. Consult a tax professional immediately. You'll need to calculate and set aside money for estimated taxes. If the lump sum is from a retirement account, understand the rollover rules before the money hits your checking account to avoid huge tax penalties. 2. The tax advantage stage. Maximize efficiency. Once your immediate safety and tax liabilities are handled, focus on accounts that offer tax advantages. Max out retirement accounts. This is a fantastic way to shelter a large chunk of money from current taxes in a traditional IRA/401k or future taxes in a Roth IRA/401k. Maximize your annual contributions to these accounts, including any catch-up contributions if you are eligible. This is often the most tax-efficient payability strategy for long-term wealth. Health savings account. HSA if you have a high-deductible health plan. Maxing out your HSA is a triple tax advantage powerhouse. Contributions are tax-deductible, growth is tax-free, and withdrawals for qualified medical expenses are tax-free. 3. The investment stage, growth strategy. The remaining funds, the actual lump sum you can invest for growth, should follow one of 2 strategies. Option A, lump sum investing. What I did, I chose to invest a bulk of the remaining amount all at once into a diversified low-cost index fund. Historical data shows that, on average, investing the lump sum immediately outperforms spreading out over time. This is because your money spends more time in the market. Best for individuals with a high risk tolerance, a long-term horizon, 10+ years, and the discipline to ignore short-term market dips. Option B, dollar cost averaging DCA. What you could do. This involves splitting your lump sum into equal parts and investing them over a set period, e.g., investing $20,000 every month for 10 months. Best for those who are risk-averse or investing during a market high. While historically less likely to maximize returns, it's a great strategy for emotional comfort. It reduces the risk of investing everything right before a market downturn. My takeaway? You are the CEO of this lump sum. The best payability option is an active management plan that starts with security and tax efficiency, then moves into a measured, deliberate investment strategy aligned with your personal goals. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.